Previously, 9 merchants came together to build the perfect home for Junwhite and Jessica. Now we're back to check out the final product by them.
Hello. It was, to be honest, very smooth, very easy. We didn't need to stress about a lot of things like what we normally hear from other people who are going through renovation. Mefield was very accommodating.
Yeah, we were on the phone about every day with him. Because as homeowners, typically we tend to be more angsty. We want to see the result out quickly. Every time we come in, drop by when we are nearby, we came in, drop by. If there are certain things done, we just need to tell him once, and he'll get it arranged and done for us.
He's the one who chased after us to, have you got this, have you got that? We are the more, oh no, we haven't. Tommy, the one that sells kitchen and sanitaryware. So he came over to help us to see what was the problem because the rain shower couldn't work. So he came all the way here, and then after he even gave me a private tutorial on how to use the hob, which because I don't cook, right? So he taught me how to use and how to maintain it. So it was really, really nice. CK was he did a perfect job because I told him what I wanted. I told him he will give me suggestions. We spent quite a bit of time choosing colors and all that. So they gave us very good advice, and we told them very specifically we wanted something really dark for the room. They were able to do it, and the cushion which they made to measure for us for our bay window is perfect. We love this place.
Aircon was installed quite
early.
We just need to tell the aircon guy Alvin it once. The aircon, because we follow the Fengshui, has got specific location where we need to put, and we just need to tell Alvin once, and he got his guy all installed at the right places with
very promptly.
Yeah, I think all done within a day.
Yeah, who says Fengshui houses looks like temples, looks like very Chinese, very old-fashioned? No, look at our place, we love it. Yeah. It is very modern because there's no religion involved. And it's not like you have to hack this wall, such a big project, you have to do this, you have to do that. It could be as simple as, for example, we were sharing with our friends, having a curved TV instead of a normal straight TV. Gavin was very patient. He brought down the different samples even to our place for us to choose.
Look at it from one piece, and the whole flooring is very different.
Stefan was very calm. He was very experienced in assisting us through the process to help us design the configuration because it's so flexible, right? You can choose different configurations. So he gave us the suggestions on how to maximize the space and all that, and it was good, right? The space, and so we are both happy.
Like the carpentry works can be up in just a few days. We thought that it would take weeks and weeks to do, but just a few days we came in, dropped by, and surprisingly everything was done up. Very good finishing, no sharp edges in such a, I think, very short time.
Bye.
Thank you for watching!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.